Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, I would like to share with you some really great news. For the past year, I've been working on a very special project. Let me ask you this. How many times you have asked yourself or people ask you, do I need a desktop or a laptop? Or what's the hardware requirements? Or how much money should I spend on this computer? I don't know about you, but I have asked those questions many times and people ask me the same question as well. So I've decided to do something about it and develop a new platform, Hardware Benchmark for Professional Software. This platform will help you with the previous questions and more. It will help you decide if you should buy a desktop or a laptop. It will help you compare your current hardware performance to others. It will tell you which hardware component you should focus on when buying a new computer. The bottom line is, it will save you a lot of time, money, and frustration when looking for the right components or a computer. And you will get enough information so you can make the right decision. Now, before we release the platform to everyone, we want to make sure that everything is working as it should. And for that reason, we are looking for beta testers who are willing to participate in testing the system and sending back their feedback. By the way, the testing takes only about 20 minutes. Those of you who will complete the testing will receive a huge bonus. And the bonus is this airplane model, Piper 140. This model contains tons of techniques, workflow, and a lot of time has been put into it. I don't know about you, but I was really enjoying making this model. Of course, it also comes with all the files as well. So, if you are interested, I have put down the registration link in the video description, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.